Oh yeah. This ain't gonna be $35, is it?
Oh yeah.
No! Oh no, Tommy.
Come on, don't play with that motherfucker. Get him. Here you go again to the back of the boat.
I like to play with it.
Yeah, well, I'll give you something to play with. Yeah. That's a nice one. Might be a trophy, huh?
I don't know, Tommy. I like to play
Oh
with it.
yeah, it's a nice one.
It won't make it.
No, probably 7. Dink, dink.
Dink.
It's a dink. Here, let's get you on camera. Here, step back in the back.
It ain't maybe a 4.
Step that way behind you. First fish. You're getting drilled. You're down. You get the skunk off the boat. So am I. Come on.
Get him, Tommy.
Oh, he's not on.
There you go.
Nice.
Throw this one back.
That can get you on camera.
Oh, yeah, that looked good.
Oh, Tommy, this one's running drag.
Come on. Oh yeah. Keep him out of that.
I know.
Don't play with him.
It's good fish.
Oh, I see it.
He ran drag. Here it comes.
Keep him out. You want to get the... Keep him out of that. I'll go wherever you want me to.
Go around this way.
Yeah. Watch out.
Nope.
$70.
God damn.
$70. No matter the size of the fish.
She told me size mattered.
That's what she said. I know what I said. I got a small one. So it's 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
And he owes me $70 for 2 net jobs at 35 a buck.
Tommy,
Yeah, I hear you.
I'm on. You're live.
You close?
Tommy!
Oh, you on?
Yeah, he's on.
Why don't you talk? Hey, let me go. I got a fish. But,
I don't know what we got.
oh, fuck, it ain't worth the net. You want to go for, you want to go?
I don't
I already
need.
had it on.
Okay, you want a net?
I don't.
That'll
I ain't
be-
got $35 more for you.
Yeah.
I got my own dip netter right here.
Hey, I got the touch one.
You got to touch one. That's fine. He looked at me. But you ain't gonna say that when you get a 10-pounder on that motherfucker.
You think I'll be? Here you go.
Save the best for last.
I got pliers right here.
There's some right in that bed.
Ah, he's got it. He got it.
You got it? Give him that fish, yeah. And then I want to get him.
Oh, Tommy does.
Yeah.
What's
it's
that?
all-
What's the score, Tommy?
He's got 3 to 1. To nothing. Okay.
Are we good enough?
Yep. Get the fish up. He feels that.
So, you know, that's one of the
You got him right there.
I was a little surprised actually that they rated him as a guest of the Trump can drafted today.
I want to
Is
put
it?
up on the screen the total early voting numbers that we're seeing, Chris.
Right,
It's
3,
doing
2,
something, and I'll ask you what can be
Uno.
behind that. Well, I
As soon as I walk
I want you to show the camera the fish. Nice fish.
Yeah.
47
You ripped in the mouth.
Chris, what can be behind
A 3.5, 4 pounder.
Yeah. Look at that fish. Got a pretty color.
You know, remember,
Yeah, they're pretty good.
2016, he had a total of 120-something billion votes cast.
Give me a donut. God damn, it's got fish on.
As soon as I walked away.
That's what happens. Like when. Why don't you use the pliers? They're right there.
Right there's the pliers.
60 million, over half the total vote early voting, mail-in voting before the election. First thing
Let's
you
show the
should think
camera.
of is the fact that
You want me to take a picture of it?
yeah, the debate meant nothing to
You got an iPhone?
yeah.
Learn
The
how to
big
work it.
question is this, because most people think that more of the early voting is going to Biden than is going to the president. The real question
Alright, he
is
called himself a little dinky do. Go ahead.
Dinky
That's just to irritate the boys. That's all it is. They up there freezing to death.
A little dinky.
response to the pandemic.
I'll lick
America
him.
is not out of the woods yet. Meanwhile, the administration
Oh, that's nice.
says the
You got 'em?
vaccine could now just be weeks away. And we're learning that one company
311.
has now started testing on children. Jonathan Seri's live in Atlanta. So, Jonathan, what can you tell us about
Show
this
the
trial?
camera.
All right, thank you.
I should have pointed the camera to the camera. What's that? I should have camera.
Only about a pound